Welcome to Database Searching Basics by the Kaplan Family Library. In this video, we will learn how to locate the Kaplan Family Library's databases, combine key terms to refine results, and locate the full text options for articles. To access the library databases in order to search for articles, we need to visit the library website. Right now we're at the Mount St. Mary College homepage, and if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you'll see in the footer of the web page there are a few different links listed here. The second one is the Kaplan Family Library, and if you click this link, it'll bring you to our website. But our web address is also pretty easy to remember. It's msmc.edu/library. Here on our website, we have some menu options in the white bar in the upper right corner. In order to locate our databases, we want to click on Find Information because we're looking for information resources. Scrolling down shows you that there are a number of different types of information resources available through the library. But we're looking for articles, so we're going to click on the Articles and Databases link here. The library subscribes to over 80 different databases, and you can see a full list of them by clicking All Databases here. But if you're not really quite sure which database it is you want to search, you're often better off clicking Databases by Subject. This will bring you to subject pages that list databases containing articles in the subject area you're looking for. So for this example today, I'm interested in science literature. So I'm going to click on Science here in the third row. And this opens up the Articles and Databases page of a research guide for science students. Here, under Find Articles Using Databases, you'll see all of the databases the college offers that contain science-related articles. The example I'm going to show you today is ProQuest Science Journals. So in this example, we're looking for articles discussing the chemistry of sports or energy drinks. The first thing that you really want to do is identify your key terms in order to know what to search for. So in this instance, I would identify both sports drinks or energy drinks and chemistry as some important terms within that concept. So I'm going to type in sports drinks or energy drinks here and tell the database to look for articles with either sports drinks or energy drinks mentioned. And since we're interested in chemistry, I'm going to add chemistry to the second line here after the word and. Now you'll find that using or will often expand the number of results that you return, giving you a higher number of results. And using and will limit your results and refine your topic a little bit, giving you fewer results. So these are powerful ways to combine your terms and good to remember and experiment with them. Typically we use or when we're combining synonyms or related terms, and using and when we are narrowing our topic to something a little bit more specific. Next, you'll most likely want to click Peer Reviewed to limit to scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles. This is generally a requirement of your assignment. And then I'm going to click down here where it says Search to tell the database to search for these terms. And we have 2,660 article results returned in this search, which is still quite a lot to look through. And as you scroll through, you'll notice that a particular journal comes up over and over again, and that's the Journal of Chemical Education. When I look at these articles, I realize that they're actually targeted towards chemistry teachers and don't necessarily contain the content that we need for this assignment. So if you want to just cut out these particular journal articles, you can add another term to your search by modifying your search. So over here, I'm going to click Modify Search. Then I'm going to add a row so I can add some more terms in. And I want to exclude articles from the Journal of Chemical Education. So I'm going to switch this "and" here to a "not." And in quotation marks, I'm going to type the title of the journal, which is Journal of Chemical Education. And I put this in quotation marks so that the database knows to find all these words right next to each other and to not exclude articles that just have the word chemical or just have the word education in them. So this is an important step to keep your phrase together. And now I will click Search again. Okay, so now you'll see those articles are gone, which is helpful to us. Let's see, this first article here, Miser LC-MS Analysis of Teas, Soft Drinks, and Energy Drinks. That looks interesting. Let's click on the title to learn a little bit more about it. We are brought to the record for the article, and here we have the abstract, which is the summary of the article. So generally, it's a good idea to read this first and determine whether or not this article really will be good for your assignment. And if so, I will click on the Full Text PDF tab to open up the full text. You can also directly download the article using this Download PDF button here, or email it to yourself or print it out, depending on your preference. I always like to both download and email an article to myself just so I have it in two places. So if I download it, it'll be saved onto my computer. And if I email it to myself and keep the subject heading kind of specific to this search, then I'll be able to find it easily within my email. So I'm going to navigate back to my search results. And let's try to locate one for which there is no full text. So here we have Mineral Composition, Evaluation, and Energy Drinks. I'm going to click on the title here, and you'll see there is no tab here for PDF full text. In this case, it's important to click the link here that says Check True Serials for full text. What this will do is run a search in all of our other databases and in our print holdings to see if we have this article somewhere else. Oftentimes we will, sometimes we don't, but it's a good idea so that you don't limit yourself and miss out on an article that would be great for your assignment just because there wasn't full text in that database. And here, there is no full text available at your library. If there were, there would be links here to click on. But don't stop there. You can request the item through interlibrary loan. So simply by clicking this link here, you will submit a request and we can borrow this article from another library. This concludes today's video. If you have any questions, please contact your personal librarian at tiffany.davis@msmc.edu.